Hello, today is day 43, and our word is perseverance. In visible lines, the fisherman repairs his net, and the fish are nearly caught. If a fisherman does not have a properly repaired net, then his trip is useless. Preparation is a major part of his endeavor. Only when the fisherman keeps his nets intact, keeps his boat repaired, and studies the conditions of fish and water does going out to fish become a mere formality. Then fish fall into his hands as if guided by invisible lines. When it seems as if nothing encouraging is happening to us, it is important to remember such perseverance. Work may be drudgery, maintaining a home may be routine, and we may find our goals quite distant, but we must persevere and prepare nevertheless. That will bring a steady pace toward our goals and buoy our faith in rough and threatening times. To taste the fruit of perseverance requires maturity and experience. We need to cultivate patience, planning, and timing. We build our resources even when circumstances seem to be against us. We don't neglect anything we have set in motion. If we nurse our plans through good times and bad, our plans will eventually succeed with the inevitability of fish caught in a net. Ta-da!